Our national behavior is a topic that is very much important for managerial positions, managers in the organizations. Actually, our national behavior helps us to know how we can improve the organizing our national culture. The culture is very important to gain productivity, individual productivity, and our national productivity. So the culture, how it can be improved, that is we can do by reading the organization behavior. Organization behavior is a term that describes the ideal nature or ideal thing related to organizational behavior that we want to achieve. So it teaches regarding perceptions, emotions, motivation, and other aspects, conflict management, how to manage conflict in the organization, how to create desired perception, desired emotions, and how to um, manage uh, motivations among the team members. So it is a very important concept, motivation. And in motivation, I'm going to tell you about a basic theory, that is Abraham Maslow theory. This theory suggests that the need of a person is based on a hierarchy. This hierarchy is based on various needs that are going that a person is going to fulfill, and it's a kind of ladder. So it starts from basic needs such as food and shelter and sex, and afterwards it goes to safety needs, then esteem needs, and finally self actualization needs. So it's a very basic concept of motivation where manager try to identify that what kind of need person is having. According to that, he provides you know reward. So a person who is seeking safety needs, for that purpose a kind of friendly work atmosphere is to be created. And suppose he wants to have esteem needs, so friendly environment and also cooperation and recognition of his work or her work uh, are provided by management. So these are the things that management people do to motivate you know employees at workplace. But it's a very basic theory, Abraham Maslow theory, because needs are not taking place in a ladder system or in a hierarchical system. You can see a person who's not having basic needs fulfilled, like food and shelter, still he wants to uh, be a doctor, so he's having a need of self actualization. Self actualization means reaching to a maximum potential of a person. So, a person who wants to be a doctor without realizing or without getting his basic needs fulfilled, it means that the hierarchical system that the Abraham Maslow theory proposes is not true. So, what I'm telling you is that it's a very basic theory of motivation, and in the modern day scenario, it is not, it cannot be applied. And there are other kind of so many other kind of theories, such as Herzog motivation theory, or the equity theory, or need theory, achievement theory, and other path goal theory. So many theories are there. So those will be described detail in the coming section. it's just you know